Well, good evening, everybody. My name is Mark Krebs. I am a gold qualified consultant with Team Sunset. I have been with Archer and Evolution Travel for 17 months now, but I've been a travel agent for 9.5 years. So I've got a lot of knowledge and wisdom that I can pass on to you guys, not just related to this supplier, which is really, really cool. And I'm so glad we have access to them. Excuse me. But with all sorts of booking questions. So I'll put my information into the chat box later on. If you guys ever need to reach out to me or want to reach out to me, you are more than welcome to. Today's supplier that we're going to be talking about is Project Expedition. And we're just going to be doing an overview of them. We're going to be going over how to search for and find excursions. So they do excursions and transfers and activities and multi-day activities and elevated experiences. This is absolutely amazing. It is an alternative to Viator. And honestly, I think they are better than Viator. Okay, the commission is the same, is a little bit better. Viator pays us 8 to 10%, but Project Expedition pays us a flat 10% on everything that we book. So I'm going to go ahead and put, yeah, it is a hot take, Harvey, definitely. And I book with Viator too, don't get me wrong, because sometimes the Project Expedition doesn't have what I'm looking for exactly. But I will book with Project Expedition probably about 90% of the time. So I'm going to go ahead and put the website into the chat box. This is a self-registration for Project Expedition. You just go to the website. You just scroll down to the bottom and go to Travel Advisors. It's underneath Get Involved. Click on that. Click on Register Now. And that's all you have to do. And I'll just show you the registration form. It is so simple, guys. It's just your name, email, phone number. You create a password. The accreditation type is going to be IATA. You just use Archer's IATA number, and I'm going to put that into the chat box because I know we have some new agents here. Who may not have been able to register for vendors today. But there's Archer's IATA number. It is 05824840. You're going to put your agency's name. So whatever you've named your agency, so mine is 72 and Sunny Travel. And then you're going to put your host agency as Archer Travel Group or just Archer Travel. You're going to put your location. You can put your website. And how did you hear about us? You guys are going to put my name. And there's the spelling of it. So it's Mark Krebs. So we don't get anything extra. They just want to see where you guys are hearing about it, if you're hearing about it from other travel agents. Okay. Sorry, let me turn on my video. I apologize for that. There we go. So Project Expedition, like I said, is amazing. We are part of the Travel Leaders Network, and they are trusted by the Travel Leaders Network. So TLN, you will hear about TLN a lot. They have a live support staff that is there from like 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. Eastern time, where you can chat with them online. Okay. If they are not available, they will get back to you the very next business day, including Saturdays. That is different from Viator, where you have to call a 1-800 number. Okay. I use this feature a lot because I book a lot of expeditions and excursions for my clients. For location, you just put your city and state. Because they can customize things for your area too. If you're looking for excursions in your area, something new to do that you've never done before, they can customize something for you. So that's really cool with them. So, but I love being a partner with them. You can save itineraries to wish lists to look at for clients. You can email your clients these itineraries and everything. So, I mean, it's a wonderful, wonderful tool to use. If you move, you can update it. Definitely, you just go to my account and click on profile. Why did my... Let me sign back in here. So my account, profile, and you want to make sure that everything is updated. So this will give you your sales manager, and you get a referral link too. So you can send clients your referral link and they can choose their own excursions and you get paid. I use this on my own personal website as well that I have created, and my clients can shop while I'm sleeping and I get paid. So for you new agents, that's what we talk about when we say you can earn money while you sleep.
Mark, what supplier do we go under to find the Project Expedition?
You just go to projectexpedition.com.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, so it's not in Travel Cafe.
Okay.
Should be, but it's not. That's why I'm doing this training.
Okay.
So they've got the terms and conditions right here. You can read them if you want to. The directory of all their BDMs and all of their vendors that they use. And you can search for it by name or destination. You can see what you have viewed in the past. You can have a wish list. So I've got a client that's going to Alaska that I've got a wish list for, which is I need to actually clear out, which I'm going to do right now. And to delete it, it's as simple as that. You just click on delete. You can see what's in your cart. If you have made bookings, you can see upcoming bookings, pending bookings, payment due. You can put a payment down. You can make a booking and then make payments on it with Project Expedition, something you're not able to with Viator. You can also buy gift certificates. No, you can't, Harold. So you can't book flights or hotels only on here. This is just excursions, activities. You can book airport transfers or cruise port transfers from a hotel for your clients on here, but you can't book flights or hotels on here. So for that, you're going to have to go through Vax, Expedia, or go direct to the airline or the hotel, which is what I recommend folks doing instead of going through Expedia, because you receive more in commission that way. You still receive your 80% versus 50% with Expedia. So Project Expedition has a lot of great features, and we're not going to get into all of them today. But this is just a quick overview of the system. But I am going to show you guys how to search for activities tonight. And I've asked my agent, Dee Dee, Diane, in the participants list and in the chat to come in here because I'm helping her work on a booking right now where her client wants some excursions in the Bahamas and some activities in the Bahamas. And so we're going to be searching for those so that I can show her and everybody else how to search for those. So we're going to click on the activities tab. And Dee Dee, feel free to unmute yourself. Do you know exactly what your in-laws want to do?
They, excuse me, they do it all. They
Okay,
do the four wheelers. They've done the um, zip lining. They will go scuba diving.
cool.
I mean, they have done it all, even though, the parents are 68, 70. But the kids, they do everything with the kids. They're in their 20s. So
Okay, cool. So what
they
we're going to
are
do
busy.
instead of looking at specific activities, we're going to actually search by destination. So you click on the drop down up here and it brings up the different regions of the world that they work in. So we know that we're doing the Bahamas, so we're going to click on the Bahamas. So they can do everything in Exuma, swimming with the pigs from Nassau, to a full day excursion to a private island plus swimming with the pigs, going by doing a private swimming with the pigs. So I mean there are just so many different things that you can do on this site that you can actually send to your clients to show them what they can do. Dolphin close encounters in Freeport. Yeah, private Exuma, swimming with the pigs at Big Major Key, plus getting up close to sharks and iguanas. It's all, and they have it for all sorts of budgets. So you can see, like, right over here, the swimming dolphin close encounters, $95. Goes up to 1,800 for that private Exuma swimming with the pigs at Big Major Key with the sharks and iguanas. So they've got something for every budget. So don't be afraid of the pricing that you see. You can find something for your clients. Paddleboarding in Freeport for $49. So we're just going to select paddleboarding. You click on paddleboarding, and then all you have to do to generate a referral link is click on the referral link button. Copy the link and then paste it into an email to your clients. Any tours booked after clicking on the link will be credited to your account. Your clients will see all of this information here: the itinerary, the add-ons for the meal, the activities, the meeting location, the inclusions, the requirements, and reviews. So they have it all. They will also say if you are doing an excursion off of a cruise, so a shore excursion, they will say if it's a cruise-friendly refund policy and back-to-ship guarantee or not. So, and you want to make sure that they have that back-to-ship guarantee, because you don't want your clients getting stuck in a foreign country because their tour operator did not get them back from their shore excursion. Okay. And Project Expedition does not work with tour operators that are going to not provide that back to ship guarantee. So you guys, this is an unbelievable resource that we have access to. I wish I had found out about it 17 months ago. I didn't find out about it until 4 or 5 months ago from one of our corporate trainers. So this is a great resource. Feel free to play with the system when you guys get logged in. You're not going to break it. You can cancel anything in your wish lists at any time. Just don't put your credit card information in. So let me stop the recording here.